Is there any reason why you took your shirt off?
Yeah, because it's hot outside.
It sure is.
And with your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow the tip of the pen.
Taking my friend to the airport and the shuttle, and she's impaired in some way. I don't know how, but she couldn't get the car out of gear. So I moved her car over for her, and then she tried to drive away. I told her she couldn't drive. I asked her if I could call somebody. She won't let me take her phone or call anybody.
Okay.
She keeps trying to drive away, so I took her keys.
Thank God you did that.
Yeah. I wish somebody would have done it for me.
I do.
But she has a dog in there. It's very friendly. It's a pit bull, but it's very friendly.
That's good.
Yeah, she absolutely. She wouldn't even tell me her name. She can't drive.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know what she's impaired with, and I don't want her to get a DUI. So.
No, I hear you.
Yeah.
Do you mind if did you see her driving, or did you see her pulled over?
She was literally like in the middle of this intersection, stalled. I thought she was stalled, so I pulled over to help her, and then she couldn't put the car in neutral, so I got in the car. It was in drive.
When you say,
I just restarted the car and pulled it to the side.
Just to clarify, when you say in the middle of the intersection, you're talking about like right here in the middle of the road?
I don't know if she had just turned or if she was going straight, but she was blocking, like nobody could get through.
Oh, so she was like in the middle of the road? Jesus. Okay. When you...
I don't even know her name. I don't know anything about her.
When you walked up, was she having like slurred speech or anything?
Yeah, she's definitely impaired.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know, but I don't know what's what.
Hey, so that is the lady who called us in. I just got done getting her info. She said she was coming through, taking a friend to the airport. This chick was like right here, in the middle of the road, like blocking both lanes from where I can go around her. She walked up, like she's completely slumped. Definitely seems impaired.
You think she's diabetic?
I haven't contacted her yet. Could be. I have her keys though. Hey, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Ashley?
Ashley? What's going on today, Ashley?
My mom is trying to, or I guess this is, I don't know, somebody trying to follow me. I don't know.
That is not your mom, and it's not someone trying to follow you. Do you have any idea where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
I'm at Handcuffs. I'm at Handcuffs up near where my dog lives.
Where your dog lives?
Yep.
Where were you coming from?
Are you diabetic?
No.
Okay.
Where were you coming from?
I was coming from my house.
Okay. Do you happen to have a driver's license with you?
Sure.
That's a book bag. Should I follow the one password? Is there any reason why you took your shirt off?
Yeah, because it's hot outside.
It sure is.
Yep.
So where's your ID, ma'am?
I don't know. I'm having a very hard time.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm having a hard time right now. I'm living with somebody who is kicking me out of my house.
Okay.
And I have no place to go.
Okay.
So I need to go someplace to live. My parents won't let me live with them.
Okay.
So I don't have any place to go.
Okay. Do you have any money or anything?
No. I have a dog and a cat.
Okay. Jessica, I'll ask you again, where were you coming from?
from my parents' house, and they won't accept me to live there.
Okay. What were you doing before you left your parents' house?
They won't allow me to live there.
Okay, but what were you doing before you left?
I went to figure out where I could go
Okay.
to live.
Okay. Did you make any stops anywhere after you left your parents?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Where'd the fireball on the passenger seat come from?
I don't know.
That just magically ended up there?
What do you mean?
You have small shooters of Fireball whiskey in your passenger seat. Where did they come from?
Okay, that just came from... I'm sorry. I don't mean to be like that.
Do you want me to give you a second so you can put your shirt on so you're not having to hold that up over
yeah,
you?
if you don't mind.
Sure.
Thank you.
All good?
I've been sober for almost 4 years.
Okay. Well, you don't... Can you please cover up? You said you've been sober for 4 years?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to tell you right now, you don't seem very sober to me right now.
This is one of the first significant shifts in the investigation. Ashley claims she has been sober for years, yet officers have already observed behavior they believe is consistent with impairment, and alcohol containers have entered the conversation. Investigators are now testing whether her statements align with the physical evidence and observations gathered at the scene.
I understand that.
So did something happen today that led you to drinking? You mentioned getting thrown out of your house.
Yeah. I don't have any place to live.
Okay.
My parents won't let me live with them.
Okay. When was the last time you got a DUI? 2015.
Yeah.
Okay. What did the court make you do? They make you go through some sobriety course or something?
I just had to go through all the probation and
Okay.
yeah.
Did they make you go through like AA or anything like that, or just
Yeah.
the probation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probation and I just chose to be sobriety.
Okay.
And so it's been almost 4 years. It was 4
Well,
years.
You got arrested in 2015. You chose to go through AA back then. We're now in 2026. It's been a lot longer than 4 years. So that's an 11-year difference. So your timeline isn't making a whole lot of sense. Obviously, right now you were clearly intoxicated. So, what was your game plan here? Like, what were you trying to find someplace to go live?
Legally, this moment carries substantial weight. The officer identifies a discrepancy between Ashley's claimed sobriety timeline and her prior DUI history. Whether intentional or not, inconsistent statements can affect credibility. Combined with witness observations and the officer's own assessment, the investigation is moving beyond concern for her welfare and toward determining whether probable cause exists for an arrest.
But getting drunk and driving while you're drunk seems counterproductive.
Yeah.
On top of you're causing a hazard. Not only are you breaking the law, but you are a safety hazard at that point too.
Yeah.
So why are we making that decision?
Because I don't have a place to go.
You don't have a place to go, so you make the decision to drink and drive instead. Do you remember how you ended up over here?
Yeah, because I was going to look for an apartment.
So you pulled over while you were going to look for an apartment?
Yes.
Okay.
Because my parents say that the only place that I can go is in their apartment or
Okay.
in their garage.
Were you stopped in the road at any point?
No, just by this girl who said that she said that I didn't feel uncomfortable with me driving.
I feel bad for you regarding your living situation, but the problem I have in front of me right now is that you were drunk driving. Someone saw you stopped in the middle of the road, seemingly unresponsive. Other cars are having to drive around you. She takes your keys, gets in your car, moves you over here so that you're out of the roadway and safe, and then calls us. You tell me you were drinking and driving. I have a lady who saw you in your vehicle, operating it, stopped in the middle of the road. You're obviously impaired. So, as much as I feel bad for you and I'd like to maybe try to get you some help, I'm also considering arresting you as well. Let's say I choose not to arrest you, instead get you a ride home.
Can I just get home?
Well, I don't have any resources available right here, right now to just give to you, okay? Let's say instead I decide to reach out to a family member to maybe come get you, save you another trip to jail, come get the car and drive you somewhere safe.
Okay.
Is there anyone that you can call?
I guess my parents.
Okay. Who is kicking you out of the house? Is it a wife, a husband? Who is kicking you out?
A husband or a relationship. He's a fiance of 10 years.
Well, tell you what I'm going to have you do is hop out of the vehicle because it's hot out here and your dog is panting and it looks like it's hot. So I'm going to have you get out. I'm going to turn your car on so your dog is in some AC. You're going to be out here in the sun. But I want your dog to have cool air. Okay? So go ahead and hop on out. Please keep your shirt closed as you do so. I have your keys. You're welcome. Hi, puppy. I know. Hi, how are you? There you go, puppy. Just getting you some cold. Ma'am, get out of the vehicle. I was just turning this on to get your dog some cold air. I didn't mean you could go into it.
Okay.
So, again, what's our history of her look like?
She has a valid driver's license. She's got one DUI at a Palm Beach,
How long ago was it?
like 10 years ago.
Okay.
And there's a lot of weird stuff that her tag is like coming back to, where it's like a bolo, stuff like that, but we never found her.
What were the bolos about?
I think they were just like reckless driving stuff.
Okay. If you don't mind keeping an eye on her, I'm just going to do a little bit more digging. She's obviously very upset. She mentioned she got kicked out by her fiance. Part of me feels bad for her. Yeah, I try to get her some help and just take her to jail.
It's up to you.
That's cool. She's picking her brains and what you think.
You talked to her more than I did, so that's what you want to do.
The only issue with you are you gotta be able to be a witness. I just need to get a statement from her and I recorded it. We also be a witness jumped in. What do you think?
I'm just worried that if let her know that she's just going to continue to drive and then it's going to be on our asses.
Yeah.
So if we have someone that says that they're going to be responsible for her.
Ashley, which one of your parents would you like me to call to talk to?
My mother,
What's her phone number?
Maggie,
What's her phone number?
954 have to check her phone number.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you need it from your phone?
Yeah,
Where's your phone located?
in my phone.
Your phone is located in your phone.
My phone is located in my car.
Where specifically?
Inside the car.
Okay, my partner is going to go get it for you.
Okay.
It's on the passenger seat?
Yes.
I don't see it.
Is it in your pockets at all?
I mean, I patted her down for weapons. I don't remember anything being there.
If it's not in your pockets, don't worry. Can you just keep your chest area covered, please? Do you know your phone number?
Yeah, mine.
Yes.
754.
So here's where we stand. I would like to try to get a hold of your parents.
Yes.
Huh?
What were you saying?
What I'd like to do is try to get a hold of your parents. I think you're obviously having a really bad day. Yeah, you committed a crime, but I think you need more help than going to jail.
A bad year.
I hear you. I think you would benefit from help than going straight to jail. So I'd like to get a hold of your parents, bring them here, have a conversation with them, have them remove you and this vehicle from here. You are not going to be allowed to drive, okay? Your parents need to keep you home. Do not make any attempt to leave the house until you've sobered up.
They don't want to keep me home. They want me to live at home.
They don't want to keep you home. They want you to live at home?
No, they don't want me to live at home.
Okay.
They don't want me to live at home. They want me to...
Well, I think they could tolerate having their daughter with them for a day or so.
It's not. Hold on. Let me make sure I have the right number. 754.
You were helping someone find their phone.
Yes.
She left her whole property at Point Grand Handcuffs.
No, that's my phone number.
Yeah, I called your phone number and this is who answered it.
Who's that?
Point Grand Apartments.
Who was it on the phone?
She left her entire bag at the apartments complex, and that was the lady who passed it at the front desk. This is not discussion real quick.
You.
You want to follow me to pay?
No, you're not driving.
Okay.
Can you come stand over here for me so we're not on display here? Alright. So, okay, you need to close your shirt. I'm not going to ask you again. It's the third time. Are you able to stand with your back behind, up to the vehicle?
Yes.
Do 11 more time for.
My parents can pick me up.
Can they come pick your dog up?
Yes.
Okay, stand with your back to the vehicle.
Okay.
You see the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Can you touch it with your finger like this?
Yeah.
Just your finger? Stop, just your finger. Why do you keep doing that?
I don't...
Touch it with your finger like this. Okay, thank you. So you can see the top of the pen right here,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Do you wear glasses?
I do.
Do you have them?
Yeah.
Are you wearing contacts?
No.
Do you need your glasses?
No. They're in my car.
You do not need your glasses.
Well, they're in my car.
Would you like your glasses?
No, not really.
Okay. All right, so stare at the tip of my pen right here.
Okay.
Okay? And with your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow the tip of the pen. Okay. All right. Eyes and eyes only, you're going to follow the tip of the pen. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Then why do you keep clicking my pen?
Because you're asking me to click your pen.
That's not what she asked.
I asked with your eyes and your eyes only, follow the tip of my pen.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, that's the third time. That's
Okay.
enough.
Can you follow the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Can you face me and with your eyes only follow the tip of my pen? Follow the tip of my pen. Follow my pen. Don't move your head.
Okay.
Here.
That's
Follow the tip of my pen. You're not looking at it.
I know,
All right, it's
because
okay.
I am not.
I mentioned wanting to get you help earlier. I have changed my mind entirely.
No, seriously.
You're going to jail.
I think the only way to
Turn
get
around.
you help.
Turn around. Up against the vehicle, hands behind your back, stop tensing.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yep. You can tell that to the judge when he reads my arrest report. Whiskey Foxtrot 1015, change that other signal one.
Okay. This is the best place to get it.
We're going
Go
this
ahead.
way.
Right to this door. I'll just go through her pocket.
Yep. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna get my coach cam on.
Stand right
What? All good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch your head.
Can you just do me a favor?
Yeah. Did you call for 1081?
Not yet.
Okay.
Only because I know you were going to try to get the dog situation figured out before we tow that vehicle. I just don't want the tow truck sitting here and waiting.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the dog first, and then I'll search it and take photos.
Yeah.
So she doesn't want her mom to be called to pick up the dog. So
Okay. Well, the dog's going to the main society.
yeah, because I was gonna have to call the woman who found her phone to get into her lock screen, and then she won't tell me what her mom's name is under. So
She
I
doesn't
said,
even know where her parents' phone numbers are. So,
yeah.
I mean,
For a significant portion of the encounter, the lead officer appeared open to alternatives that might avoid an arrest, including contacting family members and arranging transportation. However, as the interaction continued and field sobriety testing was attempted, the officer ultimately concluded that arrest was the appropriate course of action. Ashley was taken into custody, and arrangements were discussed for her dog and vehicle. From a legal perspective, the case highlights the balance officers must strike between compassion for personal hardship and enforcement of impaired driving laws when public safety concerns are involved. What part of this encounter do you think most influenced the officer's final decision to make the arrest?